Every moment, every sigh, you are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Lay your breath of grace. When the night is closing in, your tender presence calms my skin. Every shadow in my soul loses hope. In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper lingers on. Every fear that once held tight meets your light. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decreased by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make, hell for heaven's sake. When my soul grows tired and worn, your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight needs your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every broken part restored by my Lord. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what's old. All my doubts decrease by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make, held for heaven's sake. Let your presence stay. Guide me every day. Ooh. whispers of glory. Waves of glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts released in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when I can't sleep. Every tide you send makes my soul ascend. You restore the broken heart, breathing life in every part. Every weakness that I know, you overflow. In the stillness I can feel every wound begin to heal. All you are and all you give makes me live. Send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts released in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when I can't sleep. Every tide you send makes my soul ascend. Let your presence flow everywhere I go. In your love I stand, safe within your hand. waves of glory. Wings of mercy cover me when the nights are cold and long. Your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade. Unafraid, your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. When my strength is wearing thin, your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight needs your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you repair. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. Hold me as I rise, grace before my eyes. Guide me every day, show the wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. Wings of mercy cover me. When the world feels cold and dry, you lift my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way as I pray. Gentle footsteps in the light, you walk with me through every night. Every worry fades away as you stay. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone by your dawn. Garden of glory, soft and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. my soul, makes every broken hole, all my fears undone by your sun. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. Heart to me. Tuhan yang memandu seperti gema mengisi hati, menenangkan jiwa, membawa damai ke hayalan udara. Say you bell wide at home when new turns to you. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light, fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. When my heart begins to break, your healing presence starts to wake. Every tear that falls unseen turns serene. Through the stillness of the night, your holy echoes shine with light. Every wound you start to mend as you send. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light, fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. River of mercy flowing through me. In the quiet of the dawn, your gentle presence lingers on. Every shadow fades away as you stay. Your peace begins to rise like sunlight breaking through the skies. My weary heart finds rest in your breath. Your mercy calls again, like rivers without end. Every fear released in your peace. River of mercy, deep and wide, wash me clean on every side. Every wave that touches me sets me free. River of mercy, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every step I take, by your grace I wait. The current pulls me near. You drown the weight of every fear. Your spirit floods my soul, makes me whole. Through every rise and fall, your river answers when I call. Forever I will stand in your hand. Your mercy calls again, like rivers without end. Every fear release in your peace. River of mercy, deep and wide, wash me clean on every side. Every wave that touches me sets me free. River of mercy, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every step I take, by your grace I wait. Let your waters flow everywhere I go. Hold me in your tide, stay by my side. River of mercy, deep and wide, wash me clean on every side. Every wave that touches me sets me free. River of mercy, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every step I take, by your grace I wait. You speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. When the world is loud and white, your peace surrounds me like a child. Every fear begins to fade as you stay. You restore the tired mind and breathe your hope through every line. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holy